Thanks for tuning to Real Young Outdoors.
What? Well, good morning. It is July 12th. It's about 6:30 in the morning. We're headed to Lady Bird. We're going to go down to the lower end of the lake. They call it the Basin. And it's just a lot different structure and layout than what we're used to fishing kind of the main lake, or at least the middle lake. Good thing about Lady Bird is it's got an awful lot of differences going on with it. You know, there is another launch ramp in that region. It's the Festival Beach, so that's where we're going to go today. I talked to a couple of guys. They gave me a few pointers as far as what's been going on lately. That's been frogs, Texas rigs. I'm going to give that a shot, kind of lean into that stuff. You know, it's Saturday, we're not fishing a tournament, and we're just going out to go do some fun fishing. Anyway, we're going to get out there, get on the water, get to fishing, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
And I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. Well, I stagger and I fumble. Boys, I've been drinking for days. And the reason I'm drinking, my woman got some low down ways.
At least stink on the boat. Later, bud.
Now it's time for the Real Young Outdoors Conditions Report. Brought to you by Ditch Pickle Baits. Relish the taste.
They're a weird fish. Kind of a Quasimodo fish. Got a big old weird angle in his dangle. Looks like he got squished at some point. You can see the back end of him is not very well developed. It's weird. 16 1/4 fish. Look at that. And he's like he grew all weird. Alright, well, another fish. Funky fish, but another fish. So long. Fritz side 7 today. Morning dawn. What? I mean, like, big time snapped. Wow. What? Wow. That was interesting to say the least. Never had a rod just snap on me, especially down there. I mean, I've had rods break. I've had rods break on the tip, but not just while getting hooked on a toolie and then trying to pop it. That was kind of nuts. All right, well, it's about 1:30. I'm ready to go. I checked out the Basin. Basin really didn't do anything for me, so I did what everybody said. They said throw frogs and throw craws. Broke a rod, caught 2 fish. Caught a small keeper and another one that was about 16. But definitely not doing anything that anybody was telling me to do. Caught that on drop shot and one on the crankbait, and then throwing craw, I caught myself a toolie and broke a rod in half, which I'm still quite perplexed about. But you know, it's why it's called fishing, right? So we came out, we saw, we didn't do very well, and I wouldn't say I've eliminated this water, because I'm sure during different times of the year it's great, but as of right now it's not. It's summer. I know that a lot of guys do good in the evening or really early in the morning, but usually it's in the evening. I hear a lot of guys coming out here and doing really well. I'm just not going to stay here that long. I'm going to try to have these videos, you know, the good and the bad, and this just happens to be a really short bad one. And with that, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and check out some of these other videos.